In this video, we're going to learn some of the Zoom options we need to use in the classroom. So when you enter a Zoom classroom, you might want to rename your profile. So this is super important because chances are your name over here is not who you are. Okay, so if that is the case, you can click on these three dots. Again, look, so if you hover, they appear. So if you click away, you cannot see them. So you have to hover on the right hand side top corner and click over here and choose the option rename, and then you can rename yourself. To start, so you're in a Zoom classroom, you may want to start your video and audio. So again, the options are over here, but they disappear on us if our mouse is not hovering over there. So we want to click on start video, and that would start our video. Hello there. And you can unmute your microphone to speak and ask a question. But when you're done asking the question, you should mute yourself so that we don't have a lot of background noise. Again, if those options disappear on you, the biggest tip is just hover with your mouse over here and they should appear again. The next thing we're going to learn is how to minimize Zoom and use the application that we are learning. So your teacher might show you like, hey, this is the application we're learning and now we want to go over there. So you might want to click this option up top. So the Zoom has a couple of options. This dash is minimized, this box is going full screen, and this X means like getting out of Zoom. We do not want to click X. That will take us out of the classroom. So we want to click on this dash icon, and that will put us in another view. So we can now work in the application that we want and still have the Zoom window be in the background. You can always move this window around. So in case you're working over here, you don't want that window to get in the way of your program. You can always move it around. So what if you wanted to go back to the Zoom window? You can hover over this and click on this icon which says exit minimized video, and then that will take us back to Zoom. So you can keep going back and forth between them so that throughout the class. So again, we're going to click on this minimize option, the dash, and that will take us to the program that we are working on. So while following the things that are happening in class. Okay. So again, if you want to go back to Zoom and if you don't see any option appear over here, you just hover on the window and then you can click this option which says go exit minimized video, and that will take us back to Zoom. The other option we need to learn is share screen. So there are a bunch of Zoom controls sitting right over here. We can't see them because our mouse is not hovering over them. Okay, Zoom hides away a control, which can be pretty annoying sometimes. But so we are going to hover over here to make these options appear for us. So the option we're learning right now is called share screen. So share screen allows us to share our screen. So I'm going to click on it, and now your teacher might want to see the program that you are working on. So you can click Google Chrome if you're using Scratch or a Tinkercad or the application that you want to share. So I'm going to click Google Chrome, and then we have to hit share over here. We have to hit share. Now many times people select this application, but then they're like, oh yeah, it's not working. Well, you have to click share over here to complete the process of sharing. And so now you can work on your application, you can work on your program, you can move this window around while sharing your screen. This is super important for teachers because they want to see what you're working on. At any point, if you want to stop your screen share, you can click on this option at the bottom which says stop share. This is super important. So you can click on this and you will be back in Zoom. The other option we want to learn is that sometimes you might get into this view where you can't click on anything and you can't see where are the other controls. Like there's nothing over here, right? So don't panic, everything is okay. All you have to do is you have to hover up top. You have to hover up top to see this option. It's not visible right now, but if you just put your mouse over there, it's gonna appear. Do you see this option which says view? If you click on it, you can click exit full screen, and then you have the option of minimizing or maximizing or other controls. Now remember, the only thing is that it disappears from view, so you just need to know its location. So if you want to minimize your zoom window, the options are in this corner. You have to just hover with your mouse. The other options that we need will be in this part, and so if they disappear on you like they did right now, or to mute or to start video, they are over here. So all you have to do is hover and they are going to appear back. The next option we're going to learn is this reaction button. Now this is super helpful because sometimes your teachers might ask you like, hey, are you done till this step? Did you get it? So you can show a quick thumbs up, and that will pop up on your profile here, right over here, so that your teacher can see whether you understood that step. This is super handy because you're trying to type away at your screen or you're trying to do your technology work, but you can't use your hand up here while you're doing your work. So you can always raise your thumbs up in Zoom. If you have a question and you're like trying to wildly wave and get your teacher's attention, but you still need two hands to do your work, right? So here's an option. So again, if this option disappears on you, super simple, just hover and click on the options here. So let's click and choose this option called participants, and then a view opens up here, and then look for this option which says raise hand. Look for this option called raise hand, and then when you click on it, it raises your hand. So if you and the teacher, it shows up on the teacher profile, but we are a student here, so it's not going to show up on our profile, but you can see our hand is raised. You can see it's raised over here. See? And if you click on it again, it gets lowered. Okay? So that's a quick way to get attention from a teacher while still being able to do your work. Thank you.